Hi, everyone. My name is Anya Chrysanthon, and I'm the host of the New Construction Marketing Podcast. Today, I wanted to talk to you about Instagram and how to engage your followers on it. So, currently, Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users and growing. And what's important to understand about Instagram is that Instagram is not chronological. That means that if you and I follow the same 100 people on Instagram, my feed is going to look very different from your feed. And that's because Instagram is in the business of keeping your attention. And how do they do it? They do it by only showing you what you're interested in. And how do they know what you're interested in? It's based on the actions that you took in the past. So that means if you've engaged with that person with their posts, if you liked or commented on it, you're going to be much more likely to see posts from this person versus somebody that you haven't engaged with. So it's important to understand that your goal should be to engage your followers on Instagram if you want your posts to be seen. So here's some tips to help you get engagement on Instagram. Number one, make sure that you use captions. So captions should be call to action. What do you want them to do? It shouldn't just be a statement. Also, keep in mind that only the first 87 characters of your caption is going to be seen by your follower before they have to click on more, and not many people are going to do it. So there's definitely space to do long captions, but make sure you get to your point very quickly. Make sure you have that call to action to either comment or ask them a question in that first 87 characters. My next tip is to use hashtags. There's no shame in the game, so definitely use hashtags. Hashtags will help you get found and discovered by other people, and in fact, posts with hashtags get 12% more engagement. Another trick is to use location targeting. So location targeting is very important because if you use location targeting, your post is 79% more likely to get engagement. I mean, that's huge. So definitely make sure every single post you tag your location, especially if it's in your model home, right? Come on. All right. So my next trick and the best one is to use Instagram stories. Now, I know what you think. Instagram stories disappear after the first 24 hours. I don't want to invest my time and effort into something that goes away in 24 hours. Well, think about this. When somebody engages with your Instagram story, they're much more likely to see your Instagram post. That's why you want to use stories. 4 out of 5 daily Instagram users use stories. So stories are definitely here to stay. So when it comes to stories, you have a couple of awesome features to help you get engagement. Number one is polling feature. I love that feature because not only it's a chance for you to engage with your audience, but it's also a chance for you to get to know them. You can ask them about their preferences. Say, for example, if you're building a new model home, you can ask them if they prefer lighter or darker cabinets. So you can really get them engaged in that process and help them make decisions for you, so you know that that model is going to appeal to a wide audience that you're trying to target. Next feature is the ask a question feature. So again, you can either ask a yes or no question or have people comment on your post. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you found this helpful, and make sure that you are engaging your customers on Instagram. Thank you so much to Meredith for featuring me on today's episode. And if you want to learn more on how to market new construction, check out my podcast. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.